Little Tree families and friends, it's Miss Erin here, and I wanted to show you an activity that you can all do at home if you have objects, any kind of object, and a bag. So this is called the mystery bag, and there's a few ways we can play this, but I'm going to show you one way. So all you need is a bag. I've chosen just this little wicker bag I had in my closet, and some objects to put inside. So I went on a nature walk yesterday, and those are the objects I put in there. So it has a little song, and we can sing it together. It goes, "What's inside my mystery bag? Nobody knows but me. What's inside the mystery bag? Nobody knows but me." And it's very exciting to put new things in here, and you feel around for them without peeking. So I'm going to show you how we do that a little bit with my hands. Ready? All right, friends, you can see my lap and you can see my workspace. So I'm gonna open the mystery bag, and I'm gonna reach inside without peeking. You can even close your eyes if this part's really tricky for you. Ooh, that is a wood chip. Wood chip. See what else is in my mystery bag. Ooh, this one's smooth. There's little ridges. Oh, that one's a leaf. It's gonna roll up because it was a little wet. Leaf. Leaf. Oh, this one feels very bumpy. Bumpy. Pine cone. That one's a pine cone. Ooh. That one's interesting. Plant. See, it's like a big piece of a pine tree, a plant. And oh, there's a couple more. I might have to move these over so you friends can see. I'm really sorry. There we go. Ooh. Look at that. See that one? A rock. Rock. And there's one more. A stick. Stick. And those are the things that were in my mystery bag. So when you're all done, you can put them back in your bag very gently. And you could see if you can guess what they are again. So I'm going to leave a few of them out to show you a different game. If you are wanting something extra super tricky, and this is for some older friends that want an extra challenge, or friends that are practicing letter sounds. You can even say, which of these starts with the sound W? W. Is it a wine cone? No. Is it a weef? No. Wood chip. Wood chip. You can say, which one of these starts with L? Is it a wood chip? No, it's a leaf. Yeah. So those are two different games you friends can play. One is just feeling inside the mystery bag to see what you can feel. And the other is called the sound game, where you tell mom or dad or yourself what letter sound certain objects start with. So those are two really fun games you could play that are kind of a silly surprise. So I hope you friends can enjoy that job at your home. All right, have fun.